I'm back at Denali. The weather's a lot different than it was last time I was here. Got these little micro storm cells coming over right now, so we'll see. I'll wait to see if this cell goes away. I'm gonna try to get back up on the ridgeline via the Savage River. Finally got a parking spot, so let's see what happens. The rain cell finally pushed through and I headed up trail to see how far I could get before the weather would turn me back. So cool. So friggin' cool. They don't even care about me. I love it. When I came up last time, it was my first time up here. And there's this little faint trail up here. And I'm like, really? Other people have been up here that there's a trail? Any kind of a trail? Well, with those doll sheep, just realized what kind of a trail it is. Whew. Whoa. Holy cow, that stinks. Oh my God. I don't know which way to go, but that stinks. Oh. Oh my God, I couldn't believe how much it stunk. That was crazy. Holy crap. Go on. All right. I just got treed by a friggin' ptarmigan. Holy crap. That was crazy. It's yelling at me still. Wow. That was, oh, Jesus, yeah. That's forming right over my head, even though it's sunny right here. Holy crap. Yeah, we're heading back. I'm not playing with that. just got back down to the trail on time. It's just starting to rain on me. I'm trying to outrun it now. Trying to get back down to the car. Woo-hoo-hoo. What a fun little run though. Yeah. Running down the trail, I was having so much fun, when in a blink of an eye, it wasn't as fun. Well, I'm back at the car. Kind of took a hard fall. I've been cleaning myself up. Knees are a little banged up. Yeah, I was concerned about the elbow. I think it's gonna be okay. Anyway, I'm just cleaning myself up, and I put a bandage on my elbow for the ride home. And yeah, that was a weird one. That was really a weird run. Chased out by a ptarmigan and a storm. Anyway, I gotta go. So, guys, take it easy.